Good morning. Let's wake up. It's a Saturday today. It's Sabado de Gloria. I'm going home today, so I just wake up to cook. Look my... Too much sleep. Too much sleep. Happy Saturday. Saturday today is Sabado de Gloria. So, afternoon today is I'm going to the church. Ganito talaga ako gumigising alas 5 early morning. I wake up always 5 a.m. Even I have no work or have work, I wake up 5 a.m. Too much sleep. my eyes is look like yes, good morning. Thank you, Lord. I wake up today. And then I still sleeping, all the people here. So I am the first wake up Saturday. Sabado de Gloria. I want to cook the rice before I leave the house. I'm going to take my breakfast. You can see me always in the kitchen. Is too much sleep. Too much sleep.